All right, Jason, so here's a couple things I suggest. All right, so first thing is you can preheat the larger piece of material. So whatever your larger stock is, go ahead and preheat that before you weld. Don't preheat the mesh, but preheat the frame or the larger piece. That's gonna help a lot. Now, if you can't preheat it or you don't wanna preheat it, because sometimes that just takes a long time, it's sort of a waste of gas trying to preheat it, but what happens if you don't have a torch and you can't do it? Well, and this is a method that I use a lot, and that is just to focus your weld pool on that thicker material and push it over on the expanded metal or the mesh. That way you're able to have your welder settings and wire settings where they need to be for that thicker material, and you're not gonna burn through the real thin expanded metal. So you're just pushing that molten pool over on top of it. Now, and the final thing is to make sure where you have that ground clamp. You wanna have your ground clamp on the thicker material. So wherever that is, you wanna have it actually clamped to the thicker material and not the expanded metal or the mesh that you're using. So these are some pretty simple and quick adjustments for you to make when welding this expanded metal. Now, I know it's a huge pain in the butt when welding expanded metal and it starts to burn away, because you can't add more to it, can you? You gotta go cut a whole new piece of metal. So make these adjustments and you won't have to worry about that.